guys, so I'm back with another video and it is a makeup tutorial. I created this look that was inspired by Vanessa Hudgens, and I'll put the picture right here. That was my inspiration. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. Then I'm going to take a fluffy Real Techniques brush and I'm going to set my eyeshadow primer with this cream shade right here from ColourPop. Setting the eyeshadow primer with a cream shade or a shade that matches your skin tone will help the blending of the colors later on. I'm going to wait until later to set my brows with this clear brow gel because I don't want to do it now because then some powder might get in them and then it's going to change the color and then it's going to be messy and da-da-da-da. So we're going to wait to do that. First, I'm going in with this peach shade from the Kylie Royal Peach palette. And I'm just going to blend that out into the crease. Obviously, if you don't have any of the palettes that I'm using, just use any color that is similar that you have in your collection. Because I'm definitely jumping around to a few different palettes to get what I want for this look. This peach shade right here, I'm doing next. And just putting that in the crease as well. Now I'm going to jump in to the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Fetish, which is right here.
But can we also just talk about those colors, please?
This is such a gorgeous palette. I love it. And like, so crazy pigmented. Like, literally, watch. I gently tapped in 3 times and tap off. Look at that. For just tapping in. That's crazy. I know. But I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. I'm going to leave my inner corner open for now. Now I'm going to take this Luxie blending brush and I'm just going to swirl it around my color switch to make sure there's no product on it. And then I'm not going to put any product on it. And I'm just going to blend the edges with a very light hand. Jumping back in to the Kylie palette, I'm going to use a mixture of this shade here and this shade here. And I'm really making sure that everything is buffed in together because we can always add more of the darker color if need be. I'm going to go in again with that peach color that we first put in the crease and bring that out again since it kind of got buffed away a bit. Now I'm going in with this really small flat shader brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to use that to really carefully put the color Fetish in the inner corner. Then if you want to, you can also intensify on the lid. Now, in Vanessa's look, she doesn't really have any shimmer, but I've already said that I kind of just took inspiration and kind of made this my own thing. So I am going to put some shimmer, and I'm going to use this copper shade right here from the Kylie Peach palette. And I'm just going to use my finger and put that on the center of my lid. Then with a small little crease brush, go in again with the color Fetish, and I'm really gonna barely tap in and just blend the edges on the outer and inner corner. Now I am going to highlight the brow bone with this rose gold color from ColourPop. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this pinky gold shadow that I believe is from The Balm Cosmetics, but it was like, it came in a monthly box, so I'm not really sure. And I'm going to put this on the inner corner. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes for now, and I'm going to move on to my face. So, as you know, I already have on my primer, and that had time to sink in and all of that good stuff. So, I'm going to go to my foundation, and I'm going to be applying my foundation with my new obsession, the Morphe Y6 brush, thanks to Laura Lee. I'm just going to go over with my beauty blender, press it into the skin. Now I'm going to use the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. And I'm applying this with a Urban Decay eyeshadow brush actually, but I use it as a concealer brush. And this, I'm gonna blend in with my beauty blender. I'm going to set my under eyes with a Maybelline Master Fix translucent powder. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Maybelline face powder. Then I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to put a little bit of my powder on it and use that to brush away the bake. Okay, now that I look like a ghost, let's continue. I'm going to go back to my eyes now and work on the lash line. So I'm going to go in with this small little blending brush and the Kylie Peach palette, this peach shade right here, and I'm going to lightly put that along my lash line, kind of smoke it out. For blush, I'm going to use the Tarte blush in Party. I'm going to set my face using the Maybelline Master Fix. And then what I'm going to do is just take this clean, damp sponge and just kind of press any of the extra setting spray into my skin. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash. My favorite, tried and true. As a second coat of mascara, I'm going to use the... It's all rubbed off, but I'm pretty sure... I'm pretty sure it's the Dior Hypnose mascara, I think. You could totally add false lashes to this look if you wanted to, but I'm not going to. Ain't nobody got time for that. For highlight, I'm going to be using a mixture of two highlights, one of which is the Kaleidoscope highlighter from Beth Bender Beauty, and the other is Jeffree Star and Manny MUA Eclipse. I'm going to wet my brush with this Mario Badescu Rose Water. Then I'm going to wet the brush one more time and go in with Eclipse. Because one highlight is never enough. And for lips, I'm going in with the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gemini. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Whew.
Hey Ange, should I ever do your makeup?
No, thank you.